Your child asks why you don't answer work emails at dinner. This is your moment. Not to lecture, to model. Most people turn it into a lesson. Well, let me tell you about work-life balance. Kids' eyes glaze over, the moment is lost. Are you teaching boundaries or living them? Explanation creates resistance. Modeling creates curiosity. Which one actually changes behavior? A better response? Because dinner is our time. Work can wait. Simple, clear, done. That's modeling, not preaching. They see you do it. They learn it's allowed. What happens if you lecture instead of model? They tune out. Same patterns continue. Or what becomes possible when you just live it? This week, when someone asks about your boundaries, answer in one sentence. Then keep living it. See your modeling gaps through our free diagnostic. Link in the bio.